Welcome everyone. Today I want to discuss the most important gift which you can give to your parents, your grandparents. You know, when they reach 60 years of age, they receive a message from their office or from their business that their services are no more required because they have reached the age of retirement. So this is the first rejection they receive from the profession they worked their whole life, but somehow they survive this rejection. After a few years, they receive another message, and this time from their own body, that I am sorry. I can no longer support your active life. No more climbing, running, playing, driving. I wish I could support you in all these activities of life, but I am sorry. I am helpless. So this is the second rejection they receive from that body which was their companion since they were born. Somehow they survive this rejection as well. But when the third rejection comes, that is really killing, because this time it comes from their own family. When you stop talking with them, when you stop giving time to them, and when you stop sharing your stories with them, when you give them the feeling that they are outdated, they are misfit, and believe me, this time they cannot survive, because they have already received rejections from their profession, from their body, and now when their own family reject them, there is no charm of living. So let me humbly request you that please don't take this last charm from them. Spend your time with them. You are living in a digital age. Even if you are away, call them as many times as possible. Share your stories, your experiences, your future plans with them. Listen their stories. Give them the feeling that you are still considering them an important part of their life. Involve them in day-to-day decision making of the life. Give them a purpose of living, and give them a feeling that their presence is 100% required for you, and give them the most important gift from your behavior, that the game is not over for them. Thank you.